Shippo versus EasyShip, which software is better for shipping. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which shipping software is better among Shippo and EasyShip. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, beginning with Shippo shipping. Shippo supports a wide range of carriers including S, UPS, FedEx, DHL, and more, providing flexibility in shipping options. Allows for bulk printing of shipping labels, saving time for businesses with high shipping volumes. Offers advanced features such as automated workflows, address validation, and international shipping support. Provides branded tracking pages and shipping labels, enhancing the customer experience. Flexible pricing model with no monthly fees, paying only for the labels you use. Somehow, the wide range of features and customization options can be overwhelming for new users. While there is a pay as you go model, some advanced features may require a subscription. Now let's come towards EasyShip shipping. EasyShip provides accurate shipping rates, including duties and taxes, giving full cost transparency before shipping, and allows you to set automated shipping rules to streamline processes and save time. Offers a customizable checkout experience with real-time shipping rates, delivery options, and taxes. Integrates with multiple warehouses and fulfillment centers globally, enhancing logistics management. Ensures robust analytics and reporting tools to track shipping performance and optimize operations. Somehow, EasyShip operates on a subscription model, which can be more expensive for small businesses. Their extensive features and global shipping capabilities can result in a more complex setup process. The free plan has restrictions that might not be sufficient for larger businesses with high shipping volumes. Choosing between Shippo and EasyShip depends on your business's shipping needs and scale. Shippo is ideal for businesses that require flexible, multi-carrier support with straightforward pricing and easy integration with e-commerce platforms. Whereas EasyShip is perfect for businesses looking for comprehensive global shipping solutions, detailed shipping rates, and automated shipping rules. Its robust features and in-depth analytics make it suitable for larger businesses with complex logistics needs. That's all for this video.